Welcome, car enthusiasts, to a journey back in time, to an era where automotive artistry met audacious design. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating story of a car that defies convention, a true one-of-a-kind creation that rarely sees the light of day outside of private collections. Get ready to feast your eyes on the 1999 Cadillac Eldorado show car, affectionately known as the Eldorado. Concept cars and show vehicles are usually destined for a life behind ropes, never truly reaching the hands of the public. But today, we're talking about an exception, a car that's not just a piece of automotive history, but one that recently found its way onto the highly sought-after platform, bringatrailer, making it a tangible dream for one lucky collector. This isn't just any custom car. This creamsicle orange Cadillac Eldorado was a cost-no-object commission by General Motors itself. Think about that for a moment. GM, the automotive giant, poured resources into creating this wild machine, not as a preview of a future production model, but as a bold statement, a celebration of Southern California's iconic custom car culture. Continue showing detailed shots of the Eldorado's exterior. Focus on the chopped roofline, raked windows, shaved trim, extended rear wheel skirts, and custom 18-inch wheels. Maybe a split screen showing a stock 1999 Eldorado alongside the Eldorado for comparison. The year 1999 might not feel like ancient history, but in the fast-paced world of automotive trends and information, it's long enough for details to get murky. Before everything was instantly uploaded to the internet, digging up information on unique builds like this could be a real challenge. That's why you might not instantly recall this heavily customized Cadillac Eldorado, even though it graced the stages of major auto shows. This wasn't a subtle modification. This was a radical transformation of a modern Cadillac into a rolling work of art, deeply inspired by traditional lowrider aesthetics and the vibrant custom car scene of Southern California. Imagine the crowds at the Los Angeles and Detroit auto shows seeing this caddy roll onto the stage. It must have been a jaw-dropping sight. Who was behind this incredible build? None other than California Street Rods of Huntington Beach, a name synonymous with high-quality custom work. While the exterior underwent a complete metamorphosis, the heart of this beast remains true to its Cadillac origins. Underneath that stunning custom body, you'll find the robust 4.6-liter Northstar V8 engine churning out a healthy 300 horsepower, paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission, sending power to the front wheels. But that's where the factory resemblance ends. Every single exterior panel on this Eldorado has been touched, reshaped, and refined. The roof was dramatically chopped, giving it a much lower, more aggressive stance. The windshield and rear window were raked further, contributing to that sleek, streamlined profile. And in true custom fashion, all the extraneous trim was meticulously shaved off, creating an incredibly clean and purposeful look. The result? An Eldorado that sits a full 4 inches lower than a stock touring coupe. And those extended rear wheel skirts? They're so aggressive, so daring, that they almost completely engulf those custom 18-inch wheels, a nod to the classic lowrider style. It's a surprisingly effective execution, blending an older custom aesthetic with a relatively modern Cadillac platform. Cadillac's intention with this show car was clear: to demonstrate that the brand, known for its luxury and refinement, still had a connection to the raw, expressive spirit of custom car culture. It was a way to say, Cadillac hasn't lost its cool. And today, looking at the Eldorado, it's not just a testament to that sentiment, it's pure Y2K nostalgia, a vibrant snapshot of a bygone era. This incredible machine has quite a history beyond the auto show circuit. It was previously owned by none other than Tyler Hoovie, the renowned automotive enthusiast and host of the popular Hoovie's Garage YouTube channel. If anyone knows how to appreciate a unique and quirky car, it's Hoovie. Now, for the practical side of things. If you're thinking about owning the Eldorado, there's one significant detail to be aware of. When General Motors auctioned this car off during its bankruptcy, they did so on a junk title. This was a legal maneuver by GM to avoid future liability. associated with a highly customized, one-off show car. What does that mean for a potential owner? Getting it road registered might be a bit tricky, potentially even impossible in some jurisdictions, depending on local regulations. But let's be honest, a car like the Eldorado isn't really about daily driving. It's about presence. It's about turning heads. It's about being the absolute star of any car show it attends. Even if you have to trailer it there, this Cadillac Eldorado will undoubtedly be the centerpiece, drawing crowds and sparking conversations wherever it goes. As Cadillac themselves said at the time, this car effectively captures the spirit of the classic hot rod while blending it with contemporary luxury and performance. And today, that statement holds true, enhanced by the added layer of pure Y2K nostalgia. It's a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history, a custom creation commissioned by a major manufacturer, a car that truly stands alone. And so, our journey with the 1999 Cadillac Eldorado comes to a close. But its story, its presence, and its audacious spirit will undoubtedly live on. This wasn't just another car. It was a bold statement from General Motors, a vibrant testament to the power of custom car culture, and a design experiment that dared to challenge conventions. In a world where concept cars often hint at the future, the Eldorado looked squarely at the past, embracing the artistry of Southern California's lowrider and hot rod scene. California street rods transformed a luxury coupe into a rolling sculpture, proving that even a modern Cadillac could be reimagined with a wild, custom soul. From its chopped roof to those incredibly aggressive wheel skirts, every inch screams individuality. Narrator. It's a fascinating paradox. A major automaker commissioning a cost-no-object custom, not for mass production, but as a pure expression of style and brand attitude. The fact that it was displayed at the Los Angeles and Detroit auto shows only cements its place in automotive history. It was Cadillac's way of saying, we're not just about luxury. We've still got a wild side, a connection to the passion that drives car enthusiasts. And today, this creamsicle orange Caddy isn't just a relic of the late 90s. It's a potent dose of Y2K nostalgia, a vibrant reminder of a time when automotive design was perhaps a little more experimental, a little more fearless. While its junk title might make road registration a challenge, it certainly doesn't diminish its allure as a showstopper. Imagine the crowds it would draw, the conversations it would spark, the sheer impact it would have at any car event. It's meant to be seen, admired, and celebrated. The Eldorado stands as a testament to the idea that true automotive passion transcends factory lines. It's a fusion of luxury and street culture, a piece of art that just happens to have a Northstar V8 under its hood. It challenges us to look beyond the ordinary and appreciate the extraordinary. So, what are your lasting impressions of the 1999 Cadillac Eldorado? Does its unique blend of luxury and custom culture resonate with you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please give us a like, subscribe for more captivating car stories, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Until then, keep those engines roaring, and we'll see you on the next drive!